Yeah, we out here. You see it? Okay, so I'm stranded. All the homies left me. They deep though. Damn. Well, looks like I'm about to walk. I really got left. I don't even know where they went. Wow, I'm really out here walking. They really left me. You see my shadow? Bro, they scary. The cops didn't even come. They just got here and then they just left. They're scary. They need to become active blockers. Okay, update guys. I'm safe. I'm in the car again. I'm not stranded on the streets. I don't think we're gonna be going to this spot anymore. They deep. Like, what are y'all? They don't got nothing to do tonight. That's all CHPs. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Wow. That's scary. That's scary. Shit. What happened? Not going home tonight. That's over for him. Yep, he going to jail. Alright, so I'm home safe now. But just a second ago, I'm trying to help the dude. Okay, you see how the 370Z got lit up by the bird? I'm over here trying to help him. And I should have recorded all this, but I was kind of scared, not gonna lie. So I'm helping him, and the bird following me like as if it was my car. The dude with the 370 is black, so they think it was me. I'm like, I didn't even do nothing. The bird literally, I'm walking and I just see the bird just in the sky, just following me everywhere I'm going. So I literally had to go hide for like 30 minutes, and then the homie came and got me out and said I'm good. But I was scared. Like, I wasn't recording because I was like, damn, if they catch me with the memory card and all this and my camera, they gonna take all my stuff. I was like, I'm about to go to jail for something I didn't even do. But I'm alive, I'm home now. Good night.